Imagine your entire dream apartment, now put it on wheels, add a rooftop lounge, a garage for your sports car, and maybe even a helicopter while you're at it. That's the level of insane we're talking about today. These aren't just RVs you take to a campground. These are rolling penthouses, 5-star hotels on highways, and literal palaces on wheels. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 luxury motorhomes that will absolutely blow your mind. Stick around till the end, because number 1 is so futuristic it barely feels real. We start with a motorhome that doesn't just call itself luxurious, it's literally rated as the most luxurious mobile home in the world. The Element Palazzo Superior, created by Mobil, is described as a true palace on wheels. And that's exactly what it feels like. Its design is inspired by sports cars, aviation, and yachting. So the whole thing has this futuristic, concept car meets private jet vibe. From the outside, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. From the inside, like a designer penthouse. The standout feature is the Sky Lounge. This is not a regular sunroof or tiny balcony. It's a full upper terrace that rises from the roof using an automatic lift system. You park in front of a beach, a mountain range, or a city skyline, hit a button, and the roof transforms into a private rooftop lounge. You've got space to sit, relax, and entertain, and suddenly your motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a multi-level luxury home. Inside, the Element Palazzo Superior leans heavily into that yacht and private jet feel. The lounge area uses flowing lines, premium leather, elegant woods, and ambient lighting to make you forget you're in something that moves. Huge windows pull in natural light and views, while the layout feels more like a luxury apartment than an RV. The bedroom is designed like a boutique hotel suite, with a large bed and carefully designed storage. The bathroom feels more like a spa than a cramped camper washroom, with sleek fixtures and a sense of space. Technology is woven into everything: smart climate control, integrated entertainment systems, and customizable lighting that shifts from bright and functional to warm and cozy. The Element Palazzo Superior isn't just for traveling, it's for living, hosting, and showing off. It's a statement on wheels, and that's only number 5. If you love fine food and fine cars, the Volkner Mobil Performance S is going to speak directly to your soul. This flagship model from German company Volkner is considered a true pinnacle in the luxury motorhome segment, and a real dream come true for any gourmet traveler. On the surface, it looks like a high-end motor coach. Underneath, it hides one of the coolest features in the luxury RV world. The star of the show is its center garage. Instead of just storing bikes or luggage, the Performance S has a garage built between the axles that can carry a 4-seater car up to about 4.62 meters long. With a hydraulic platform, your car slides in underneath the living space. You arrive at your destination, lower the platform, and simply drive your car out from the middle of your motorhome. And the best part is that this garage doesn't steal away your living area. Inside still feels spacious and open. The interior is built for people who appreciate the good life. The kitchen is designed for serious cooking, not just reheating. High-quality appliances, generous counter space, and stylish cabinetry make it feel more like a compact luxury apartment kitchen than an RV galley. The lounge area features comfortable seating, large windows, and built-in storage, giving you a cozy but upscale place to relax, dine, or work. The bedroom offers a proper bed, refined materials, and enough storage for long trips. The bathroom uses high-end fixtures and modern design, so you never feel like you're roughing it. Being German engineered, the Performance S also nails the technical side. Excellent insulation, smart power systems, and a smooth ride over long distances. If you're impressed by size and presence, the Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum will have your jaw on the floor. This is a 12-meter-long, 26-ton monster that's described as the pinnacle of engineering art and incredible design inspiration. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, it combines the strength of a heavy-duty truck with the refinement of a luxury residence. The exterior makes a serious statement. It's tall, long, and sleek, like a private tour bus for a world-famous band. But at the back is one of its coolest features: a huge rear garage large enough to fit a Mercedes AMG GT level car. So not only are you traveling in a luxury motorhome, you're bringing a proper sports car along for the ride. The garage uses a well-engineered loading platform to safely store and deploy your car. Inside, the Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum feels more like a top-end apartment. The living area is wide and open, with plush seating and big windows that make the space feel airy. Clever lighting and a thoughtful layout help avoid that cramped RV feeling. You can sit back and watch movies, work on the road, or host guests in real comfort. The kitchen is generously sized for a motorhome. Modern appliances, solid countertops, and stylish cabinetry make it fully usable for everyday cooking. The bedroom is private and comfortable, with a large bed and high-quality finishes that echo boutique hotel aesthetics. The bathroom continues the premium theme, with a roomy shower, a real sink area, and contemporary fixtures that feel home-like rather than temporary. Everything about the Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum screams long-term living. It's engineered to be a true world travel motorhome. Not just a weekend toy, it's perfect for people who want the freedom of life on the road without sacrificing size, comfort, or the joy of having a sports car tucked in the back. Now we're stepping into pure sci-fi territory. The Furrion Elysium is often described as the fulfillment of all your Mobil luxury dreams and the epitome of luxury and futuristic design. This isn't just a motorhome. It looks like the kind of vehicle a billionaire character would own in a movie. The exterior already looks ultra-modern, but it's the upper deck that really makes this thing legendary. On the roof, you get a full entertainment area, complete with a cozy lounge for relaxing with friends, and yes, a jacuzzi. Imagine pulling up to a stunning overlook, climbing up top, and soaking in a hot tub as the sun goes down. That alone would put the Elysium in a different league, but they didn't stop there. The upper deck also includes a helipad, equipped with a Robinsonair 22 helicopter. You use the motorhome to get near your destination, then take off in the helicopter to reach more remote locations. It's a level of over-the-top luxury that almost doesn't seem real until you see it. Inside, the Furrion Elysium continues the futuristic theme. The interior looks like a modern high-tech loft. Sleek surfaces, integrated LED lighting, and large TVs create a high-end lounge feel. Control panels and smart systems let you manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with ease. The living area flows into a contemporary kitchen, where clean lines and quality appliances keep the design consistent and stylish. What makes the Furrion Elysium truly special is the combination of wild features and real-world comfort. It's outrageous, but it still functions as a livable, luxurious motorhome. If you want to travel like a movie star and make every arrival an event, this is your fantasy on wheels. At number 1, we have a motorhome that's basically a super yacht on land. The Dembell Motorhome. It's described as the epitome of elegance, luxury, and smart technological solutions, and as a new word in the land yachting segment. If you've ever seen the inside of a multi-million-dollar yacht, you'll instantly recognize the inspiration here. Inside, the Dembell looks nothing like a traditional RV. The interior is designed to resemble a luxury yacht, using only premium materials such as fine leathers, quality woods, and carefully chosen fabrics. The color palette is typically soft and elegant, creating a calm, high-end atmosphere. The living area feels like a lounge in a designer apartment. Plush seating, sleek furniture, and a layout that flows naturally between spaces. The kitchen is another highlight. Instead of a cramped RV galley, you get what feels like a luxury home kitchen in compact form. Custom cabinetry, modern appliances, and generous work surfaces make it suitable for real cooking and entertaining. Everything is built in and seamless, reinforcing that yacht-like, custom-crafted look. The bedroom feels like a high-end hotel room, a large, comfortable bed, integrated storage that doesn't scream storage, and lighting that's warm and adjustable. It's a space where you can genuinely relax and forget you're parked in a lot or by the roadside. The bathroom continues that theme with elegant fixtures, a roomy shower, and finishes that make it feel like a spa rather than a compromise. the smart technological solutions show up in its systems: advanced climate control, excellent insulation, modern power management, and centralized controls for lighting, blinds, temperature, and more. Many configurations also include a garage for a luxury car, reinforcing that land yacht lifestyle. The Dembell Motorhome is the purest expression of land yachting: yacht-level design, home-like comfort, and the freedom to move anywhere. If there's one vehicle that represents the absolute peak of luxury motorhome design, this is it. So there you have it, 5 luxury motorhomes that completely change what we think life on the road looks like. These aren't just vehicles, they're moving mansions and rolling dream homes. Now I want to hear from you. Which one would you pick, and why? Drop your choice in the comments. Hit like if these motorhomes blew your mind, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild automotive and luxury content. Thanks for watching.